Okay naman po. Opo kayo, please. Sorry, it's a full pack day. Kasunod na doon. Anyway, very good. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and our partners from national government and other agencies. I'd like to welcome you to our 6th local health board meeting for the year 2026. And I'd like to welcome also our partner in the private sector, Madam Director Chris Padilla. Do we have a quorum for today's local?
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the 6th Local Health Board meeting for the year 2026. We would like to acknowledge the presence of our Honorable Vice Mayor Angela Levici Atienza, and the regular members of the board, the Honorable Juliana Ibay, representative from MDFW, representative for WAC City Planning, Mr. Dennis De Los Santos, and the 7 hospital directors. And with us, we are very honored to have our friends from Philippine Business for Social Progress Incorporation, Dr. Amelia Medina, Mr. Arlene Araneta, Mr. Cyrus Silvestre, and Mr. Gwen Esperidon, together with our TV control team, Raquel Herrera and Dr. Richard Castro. And also the events team, headed by Mr. Rosendo Go, Mr. Wilson Chan, and Ms. Lubite Kanya. And our partners in PhilHealth, Ms. Yvonne Fernandez, and Ms. Lani Laparan, and Ms. Clarine Sevilla. Mayor, we do have a quorum.
So we have a quorum, and we have now the approval of the 5th Local Health Board minutes meeting for the year 2026, last June 4.
For the approval of the minutes from the previous meeting, first item is several health centers have been closed by the previous administration.